Hi everybody, it's Larry with MotorcycleTrailer.com. We're here at the Laughlin River Run at the Regency Casino. Come down and see us. We've got the Supersport cargo trailers. We've got the 3-rail stand-up trailer in a bag which stores anywhere, and we have the Rampage lift which allows you to get a big bike into the back of a pickup truck, safe, sound, and secure. MotorcycleTrailer.com. See it all there. See us here at the Regency Casino.
And the folks couldn't figure out how in the world I was going to get this bike home in my Avalanche. So I walk over to the tailgate, drop down the tailgate, and they couldn't believe it. I had the trailer in the back of the Avalanche. Well, in about 15 minutes, I had all the parts out on the ground, put together, had the deuce on it, tied down, and negotiated the deal, and I was out of there. The bike rode true, stable, didn't bounce, looked good, felt good behind the truck. As a matter of fact, driving 55 with the Avalanche, I got about 27 miles to the gallon coming home.
That's great.
It was unbelievable. So I really got to tell you, Larry, thumbs up to those who built travel trailer in the bag.
Just a little quick spot here to show you what the 5-foot Supersport trailer looks like behind the bike. This is the 18 cubic foot aluminum cargo trailer with flat sides, black powder coat finish. It has bright aluminum accent trim and reflective side markers. It is lightweight and weighs in at just over 200 pounds. The trailer lid is polished tread plate, and it includes the durable top cargo rack. The beautiful aluminum 5-star mag wheels have 530 by 12 inch 6-ply tires with chrome center caps and lug nuts. And as you can see, the whole interior is covered with a rugged automotive style carpet liner. The floor and the sides are flat for optimum packing and the easiest loading and unloading. The cargo box measures 60 inches long, 28 inches wide, and 19 inches deep for 18 cubic feet of space. The lock comes with not one but 2 keys and will keep your valuables safe.